Fast Track Auto Mall, Cleveland's hottest deals on wheels.
Hey, it's Mike with Fast Track Auto Mall. Today we got a nice little treat. We got a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 full-size quad cab HEMI and short wheelbase. Real nice setup on her. Premium sound. Some nice motors. Alloy rims. Tint package in the back. Dual exhaust. Trailer hitch. Backup camera. Gotta walk wide to get this whole thing in here. Let's see. Overall, just a nice stance on it. So it seems like this one's got the American Ram. Got her all opened up. Let's take a look and see what's under the hood. Nice K9 air filter. Got the 5.7 liter V8 HEMI. Let's listen to her run. Running quiet for that much power, huh? Well, we get to hear the exhaust in the back in a minute. Nice encasement for the battery. Easy access to fluids. Nice tires and rim setup. You got the lock hubs. Great tread on the tire. Again, 5.7 liter HEMI. And the black is clean on this. Leather accents, dual tier storage, auto driver, power seats, lumbar. We'll go into other stuff later, but light controls, foot pedal controls, tilt telescopic on the steering wheel. You got your Ram Dodge buttons, moving up presets and volume on the inside here. Nice center storage area. We'll check it out in a minute. Doors are pretty clean. Same in the back. Nice door handle and the chrome accent around that thing going together. Oh yeah, quick one. It's fun. What do you got in there? Buckets. But for the people in the back, just real quick, nice storage compartments. You got power back here, AC. Cup holders are down there in the middle. And if we bring this guy down, you got another two. So you got 4. And when it comes to bringing up the seats, this is kind of cool. There's a separate double storage compartment to kind of lock things in. You bring the seats up, and then you can bring that up there, and there's storage underneath. So that's for both sides. Easy to bring her down. Done. Back up from the bed here. Get a full view on her. The rims are perfect. Tires are, you might as well call them new. Got a nice rumble to her. But here, let's just bring it back up real quick. So let's take a look at the tailgate, tail bed, clean, backup camera. There's your hookups for smoke package there. All right, keep going. Let's back out a little bit. Now, I want to highlight this. You're seeing this right now. Check back in a week. It's not going to exist, and I'd like you to do a comparison against the video to see the work. We're going to have Ronnie over at Zaza Bodywork clean this up, but I want to show a before and after so you can see. Coming down with a little discoloration and a little bubbling. This whole thing is going to get redone clean, and you're never going to know what happened. So anyways, keep going. Tires, great tread, great on the rims. Again, you got your lock hub. Jam here towards the bottom. Not some rust or anything like that beyond that area. Again, same thing here, 60-40. More space. Quick up. That's a nice little feature. I like it. Let's see. It's a decent amount of extra space if you need it. So you, essentially, instead of 2, you got 4. You got 2 and 2. and a stacker or some seats. So a lot of versatility. There you go. Passenger seat's got a lift and bring her down, up and down there with the lever repeatedly. You got a pull back, little side pouch in there, huh? Right, it's hiding in there. And you got 2 storage compartments. Get your own CD or a DVD, Ram trucks. There we go. It's kind of cool, right? I never seen that before. And then passenger door. And again, it's clean looking. Let's take a look under. Pretty good. Really, she's a great truck. Let's take a look inside. Starting with the seats. Raise up, raise down. Forward, back, check recline here, good. Lumbar, bring her out, bring her in, yep. All things functional. Let's bring the seat all the way back. Windows, quick check, auto for driver and passenger, doing good. Mirrors, both of them came down, everything's looking good. Checking the mirrors. Passenger side. All right, again, show the controls in the steering wheel. Let's look real quick. We're dealing with 154 on the miles. Within the menu system, I'm sure we could go all over the place here, but you can set up the different areas of the vehicle. You don't want to have a compass here. I want to have temperature here, this, that, the other. You can have all sorts of good stuff. Change what gear you're in, and go through cruise control, and again on the other side's the radio buttons, and so you got a turn knob for everything. Right now we got it in 2-wheel drive, but you can go to 4-wheel auto, lock, or low. Kick her into neutral if you need. So you got a lot of options there. Decent amount of space in here. One here, one there, and one more here. So within this, you got SD, USB, auxiliary. You got another, it looks like, okay, fine, it looked like a power outlet, but it's just a USB. It is power, but you know what I mean. All right, let's close her up and let's look underneath. Stage 2. Stage 2, we got even more down here. So, I mean, that's a good, nice amount of storage here. We already got a chance to see the compartments over there. Let's take a look. Lights are operational. The visor's good. And we'll take a look here. We got a power rear mirror, or power rear window here. Open her up, close her down. Done, clean. And this is for home link for your garage. Remember the remotes or whatnot. There it is right there for you. Taking a look at the radio. What do we got planned here? Got a backup camera. Check. Bring her back into park. Got XM on here right now, but you will have it for 3 months free. You get a car from us. Media controls, you can hook up to your Bluetooth, aux, USB, just like shown down here. Put a hard drive on, you know, you got everything. Controls, so let's see. For the mirror, you got that, what do they call it? Autochromatic, so people don't blind you from the back, though you're probably the one sitting and blinding people from your position. Let's see, all sorts of settings for the vehicle, done. Climate controls, we got it off, let's turn it on. Alright, fine, so we got what mode, AC, defrost, bringing it up and down, no dual climate controls, that's alright. We can pair a phone if we want and then do calls right off of here, that's a straight shot, and again, settings, we were already there. You saw the background camera, you can also push the screen right off and then you're not distracted by it, you know? So, let's see. Let's bring on the air conditioning. You could do this stuff without the screen, which I like. You know, I don't like to be completely dependent on the screen. It's nice to have a knob or a button, you know what I mean? So you can bring her up here for heat and cool. Let's first bring her all the way down to cool, and I'll turn AC on. Just want to do a quick test on her. Let's make sure. Give me a second. Now, I guess I do have to turn on the screen, right? Because if I want to say, for the climate, I want it to go forward towards me, I do have to. That's good. Alright, she's blowing cold. Let's make sure she's maxed down. Done. Waiting. I mean, it's blowing good. And cold. So that, already cold. Let's go right up the heat and be done. Take the AC off. And she's cooking. Alright, good. So that's that. Over here we got a plug. We got 115 AC, 150 watt. Nice to be able to use a car for an inverter. What's going on else? What else? We already saw the back seat, but I mean, right here from the front seat, taking a look back, you got great room, great headroom. Let's see if we can bring her up. Great headroom sitting in here. I mean, all around. Nice leather packages, good wide seats, padding. She is ready for the road.